Hello family, welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I want to start this out by first giving a shout out to Stockmo. I appreciate that. I did a video, I'll leave a link right here at the end of this video, and I just shouted out some of my favorite YouTubers on finance, and wasn't expecting anything. They didn't know I was doing this, but Stockmo showed me a lot of love and I appreciate it. And we are working, what should I say, I'm reaching out to him, and maybe we'll do a sit down and do something special for you guys. So if you guys like that, leave me a comment. We'll see you after the intro. So like I forestated, listen, this page has just went through explosive growth. I appreciate all you guys. I love all of you guys. We hit the 50,000 mark and over 23,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. This is off the chain. I really want to appreciate you guys. A lot of you guys were shouting out Chris Sane, and you guys were like, oh, you forgot about Chris Sane. I actually mentioned him at the end of my last video. My hat's off to Chris Sane, man. It's insane. His name needs to be Chris Insane because he's killing it. So shouts out, big props to Chris Sane. And who knows, maybe one day we could have a forum with all of us guys, maybe we can get together after, this COVID is over. So you guys be careful out there. Let's get right to it. I got two hot stocks. Now, one of them, of course, is a recap of Friday's hot stock because a lot of you guys didn't catch that one. These are two stocks that I want you to pay close attention to this week in particular. All right. So first, let's do a recap of the first stock, which is BEEM, and then I'll give you the new one. It's a company that does solar, but it does it for charging stations. So typically when you want to set up a charging stations, the permitting could take up to 10 months, right? This solar panel charging station can be set up in 48 hours and you don't need the permits because you have to run electric and tap into the poles and all of that with all these restrictions. This is a solar panel charging station that gets its energy from solar. BEEM Global awarded GSA mass contract to provide ARC, solar EV charging infrastructure products to federal government. This is huge, people. This is on yahoofinance.com. You can read all of this and see why it is running up, right? Okay, remember, that's a hot stock. We want to remember that President-elect Biden wants 500,000 charging stations, and this is in direct correlation with BEEM. BEEM can set up a charging station within 48 hours, beating the estimated 10-month period for permitting and running electric. That's going to be huge. And the fact that they got a government contract, okay, that's going to be huge. And so, yes, the stock did make a run, but you guys do your own research and see where your get in point is. At this point, I can't, give you a number, but you have to look at this. If you're short, then you wait for a dip. If you're long, I don't care if you're 1 year. If you buy it right now, you're going to look better in a year than you did now. All right. So you just got to be ready for any volatility. But this stock is going to really take off. All right. The second stock is Arrival, ticker symbol CIIC. That's CIIC, or it's called CIIG Merger Corp. It's really confusing, but just know that the ticker symbol is CIIC. Let's go into this, right? They expect to reach 14 billion in sales by 2024, delivering 250 vehicles that year. That's crazy. 250,000 vehicles that year. That's crazy. They have 1,200 employees. I keep trying to, blow the numbers up. 1,200 employees, and most of those are engineers, right? They're also an EV manufacturer, which focuses on buses, vans, and delivery vehicles. So in the nutshell, that's what this company is. And then this company is set to explode. A lot of you have heard about this company, and a lot of you are just hearing about this company. You're going to hear a lot about this company this coming week. Let me give you the negatives, things I don't like about this stock. Number one, this stock has already ran up 70% since it IPO'd, right? It's kind of scary. It made that 70% bump and we missed it, right? I picked some up Friday, but it was already up, so it already made that run, right? The second thing I really don't like at this point is it's a SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company, aka merger, right? And so everything that comes with the nature of a merger is coming with this. Now, for those of you that's been in SPACs before, the earlier SPACs, it's not locked in. SPACs don't operate exactly how they used to because the market is getting used to the SPACs. Investors are getting smarter and they know the four stages of a SPAC. So SPACs are being priced in differently, right? So I don't like the fact that it's already made that 70% is a big run, right? Let's talk about what I do like about the stock, and then I will give you a ballpark on a price prediction on this stock. So here's some of the things I do like about this company. Their build outs of their facilities cost less money and they can build them out quicker. I just want to give you guys the bullet point facts because I want you guys spending time studying this stock yourself. So just think about this. In most electric vehicle companies, new car manufacturers, period, the build out, the infrastructure is where all the cost is. They're building these giga plants. This company is building micro plants. They can build micro plants and they can do it under budget and under time. So low cost, and they could get it done quicker because of their advancement in technology with this type of deal. Here's another thing I really like. They already have a UPS contract. That's right. They have a UPS contract, and that's for 10,000 vehicles with the option to double that. All right. So you're talking a lot of money, the potential of 20,000 vehicles, right? The third thing I really, really do like about this company is they're backed by major banks and financial institutions. That is huge, people, because major banks are not going to put good money in bad investments, right? And so these are some of the things that I do like about this company that I think are positives. And I'll tell you, Arrival has the right name because it has arrived, and you're going to be seeing daily posts about this stock, right? Here's what my plan is for it. And I'm going to caution you guys that are heavy in the EV sector, right? You cannot invest. I'm not going to say you cannot. You should not invest all of your money in EVs. Having said that, I'm going to give you my disclaimer. Whenever you make a financial decision, you should do your own research, A, and then B, consult with your financial advisor, to which I am not. I am just sharing with you what Uncle Larry would do. I'm telling you that I bought some of this stock, and if I see an opportunity this week to buy some more, I'm going to buy some more because there's a little known company called NEO that kind of did the same thing at the same price where it is now, and it spiked up to $50. And I think that this stock has the potential to do what Neo did. And then I'm looking to pop it somewhere around there. So if I can make 300% on my money, you best believe I'm going to take that money and run, right? And so that's what I'm going to do. Now, for those of you that want to be long in it, God bless you. This is a long play stock. You know, I might get caught. Something might happen. It's a new company. There is not, you know, tons and tons and tons of information, but there's just what they put out there. So I'm getting in and I'm trying to get in early. So there's sometimes when you do short plays and you ramp up your money, you get in, you get out. I think that this is going to be one of those hype stocks that are going to run up really fast and it's going to have a pullback, right? That's what I do. But we don't know when that pullback is going to be. That pullback could be at $48. If that pullback is at $48 and I bought it at 17, I'm good with that, family. I know you will be good with that too. So you got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them. And I know this is going to be a surprise to most of you because you guys know that on most of these stocks, I'm long. I'm long because last week alone, when I look at my portfolio and I'm up by 10 G's in a week without me buying an extra share of stock, that's why I'm long. It's like chess. I'm positioning myself for when these things explode, I'm already positioned in. Right? And so that's what I want to tell you guys. You need to be diversified. You need to look at your portfolio and see, am I too heavy in EVs? So remember, stay diversified. Never go and take all of your money and buy one stock that any of us suggest to you. All right. And also remember, all of the guys that I shouted out in my video, we are not your financial advisors. We just give you advice on what we would do and we bring stock to you. I just left what I call the dream team. We had a meeting on a Sunday and my financial analyst and then my new stock finder. And we had a great meeting. Hopefully I'll be bringing more new stock to you guys and continue to hit the like button and continue to share. Let's get me to 60,000, fam. I got on my special occasion shirt. All right. Y'all want to see me wearing this shirt? Get me to 55 and I'll wear this shirt again. Get me to 60. I'll wear this shirt again. But most importantly, I want you guys to make money and not just a little money. I want you to make plenty of money. I want to make millionaires. I want to see comments below. Thank God I'm a millionaire now. I'm financially independent. I'm bringing in more money doing this than I am in my job. Those are the things that bring me joy. You know, that's what I am. I'm just your servant. All right. Love you guys. As we always say, live, laugh, learn. See, I'm jacking it up. Live, laugh, learn. Just watch the outro. Peace.